The United States Air Force has revealed new, stark findings about two disturbing fighter jet crashes, separated by a year but connected by human error, technology, and the unforgiving environment. In the first incident, on January 28, 2025, an F-35A Lightning II plunged into the ground during a routine training flight at Eielson Air Force Base in Alaska. Video footage captured a terrifying moment, the jet spiraling down while the pilot descends under parachute mere meters above it. He ejected just in time and survived with injuries. The jet, valued at roughly $196 million, was destroyed. The final accident report pinpoints ice contamination in the hydraulic fluid of the landing gear struts as the root cause. That frozen fluid prevented full extension of both the nose and main gear. Weight on wheel sensors misread the situation, believing the plane was already on the ground, and abruptly switched flight control laws to ground mode, rendering the jet uncontrollable. The pilot spent 50 minutes consulting engineers and base staff, including Lockheed Martin specialists, attempting to troubleshoot, but by then, control was lost. Investigators traced the contamination to a hydraulic barrel used during a 2023 deployment to Okinawa and cited procedural lapses in hazardous materials oversight and maintenance. One detail stands out: the temperature at the time was a frigid 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 17 degrees Celsius. Alaska's severe cold makes hydraulic systems vulnerable, and without proper preventive measures, water contamination can freeze within struts, triggering faulty weight sensors. Now, fast forward to January 31st, 2024, an F-16C Fighting Falcon flying from Kunsan Air Base over the Yellow Sea experienced a sudden engine failure, a loud bang, then sharply dropping RPMs and skyrocketing turbine inlet temperatures. The pilot attempted in-flight restarts but failed. With no nearby airfield in glide range, he ejected safely when reaching about 2,000 feet above ground level. The jet crashed into the sea and was lost. The investigation concluded the mishap stemmed from an engine stall due to hardware failure. Because the jet couldn't maintain airspeed and altitude, recovery was impossible. Distance from the nearest airfield prevented a safe emergency landing. These two crashes expose a stark reality. Even advanced fighters like the F-35 and F-16 are deeply vulnerable to a combination of environmental extremes, technical faults, and human decisions. In Alaska, it was cold climate unpreparedness and maintenance failure. Over the Yellow Sea, it was hardware failure over water and insufficient gliding options. Pilots survived both events, but the lessons are chilling. In the F-35 case, it's not enough to rely on system automations. Ground mode logic must be foolproof, especially in freezing temperatures. In the F-16 case, airframe safety depends on engine resilience and accessible emergency diversion options. These reports should serve as a wake-up call. They remind us that machines are only as safe as the humans who maintain them, the processes we follow, and the environments we subject them to.